Okay, guys, welcome back to my channel. Again, this is Lon the Broke. So, this will be our day 9. Quick update lang tayo. So, today is 21st of April of 2025. So, yun na nga, medyo paggabi na. It's almost 6 p.m. So, kanina pinapos natin yung binabang 5 hustle work natin. So, simple lang pakinggan, pero alam mo yun, it remind it reminded me that this journey is not about like big leaps. So it's about consistent steps. So lahat tayo gusto ng mabilis na resulta, pero sa totoo lang ang tunay na tagumpay dumarating sa yung mga araw na kahit pagod ka, gumagalaw ka pa rin kahit kaunti. So today, pinili natin gumalaw, pinili kong magpatuloy kasi yun nga, kahit wipe out na tayo sa trading natin. So hindi yun ang katapusan. I'm not wiped out as a person. So my dreams are valid, or my dreams are still valid, and your dreams are valid too. Remember that. Okay? So kaya kung may nagawa kang maliit na bagay today, celebrate it. You're moving, you're growing, and you're still in the game. Okay? So pakatatag tayo. Maya maya tulog na ulit. So sabak naman sa ating regular work. And yun lang. Let's keep moving. And lahat ng dreams natin, makakamit din natin yun sooner or later. Okay? So stay safe always, and see you sa next video natin.